Despite the enhanced community quarantine, Las Piñas Mayor Mel Aguilar made her constituents go out of their homes to receive food packs. Netizens bashed Aguilar for ignoring the rule on social distancing. Even Senator Sherwin Gatchalian was alarmed. The following day, Aguilar announced relief goods will be delivered house to house. There was no apology in the announcement. Aguilar only mentioned she's saddened by what happened. Aguilar is the sister-in-law of Senator Cynthia Villar. PCOO Secretary Martin Andanar is the mayor's son-in-law.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.